Hi everyone. I stopped feeding the kitten since yesterday because I caught Mama Dark feeding the 3 kittens. She took all the kitten from the box and bring on the floor. That's why I never heard the kitten crying late at night. And in the morning when I need to feed them, when I check the box, the kitten do that tiny wrestling. They're playing and looks not hungry. So yeah, so Mama Dark nursing them since the very first night I put them here. I never see Mama Dark inside a box. And so I feel relief about the 3 kittens now because Mama Dark taking care of them. But my problem now is the 3 blackies because they don't really eat. So I don't know what's happening on this 3 blackies. Angelus is limping, so I know he's feel pain. And Stanley yesterday morning he is fine, but the afternoon I also feed him. So now I'm feeding this 3 black kitten. I'm actually a little worried, but oh my god, what can I do? The vet that I always go is still not open, but at least I have a medicine for them for fever and pain reliever. So I hope tomorrow they will eat by themselves. And Mama Dark is always, oh my god, shh, Migo. And Mama Dark is always sleeping beside the box, so I think she feels that something wrong with her kitten. And she still act innocent while I'm here. She don't care about the 3 kitten. But today, sorry, it's very noisy. Woo-woo. But today, while I'm feeding the 3 black kitten, I let the 3 small kitten here. And I saw Mama Dark nurse them there. So now I really know that Mama Dark nursing them because I see the proof. So thanks for Mama Dark. And now little not really good weather to find that the calico. The storm is finished, but I don't like to go out because the outside is still some ground is wet. So anyway, at least Mama Dark nursing the kitten. So these 3 black kitten, I hope tomorrow they will eat. That's why I go here from time to time, giving them that water with hydrate or head extras powder. So I'm really hope tomorrow. And they don't really sleep in the box. Oh well, anyway, the weather is a little cooler now. That's why they don't sleep on the floor and they feel bad. That's why they like to feel warm. Shh. the kitten little improve now because they can walk a little straight now and little faster. And here's all the black babies. There. So I don't know what is happening to them.